Susie Dingle Shadow here with a 1-minute garden tip for planting. Sunny days, warm days are not ideal. Ideally, you plant when it's shady or the end of the day or when there's going to be rain. You don't want your plants to sit there even for 15 minutes or half an hour without watering them in. Here are my best tips for that. First, make sure your plants are well watered ahead of time and moist. Sometimes I even soak them in a bucket if I'm in doubt. And I also see how much work it's going to be to pre-loosen them, so I can kind of factor that into the timing on planting them. I pre-dig my holes at the right depth so that they're all ready to go. I've loosened them up. If I'm going to amend, I put in the amendments. We're all set to go. If it takes me more than 15 minutes to plant, I go ahead and water the first batch, and then I come back for the second batch. Keep dreaming in the garden. Bye.